Hello everyone and welcome to week 3. This week we're going to start off by talking about chapter 9, objective 9.1, defining risk in auditing. So auditors accept some level of risk or uncertainty in performing audits. We have risk of material misstatement at the overall financial statement level. This refers to the risks that relate pervasively to the financial statements as a whole and potentially affect a number of different transactions and accounts. And then we have risk of material misstatement at the assertion level, and there are two components to risk at the assertion level. Inherent risk, susceptibility of an assertion to material misstatement, and control risk, risk that internal controls will not prevent or detect material misstatement. Next, 9.2, we will distinguish between the different types of risk assessment procedures. Risk assessment procedures include the following: inquiries of management and others within the entity, analytical procedures, observation and inspection, discussion among engagement team members, other risk assessment procedures. The role of risk assessment procedures is detailed in figure 9.1 in your text and here. So we have inquiry of management and others, analytic procedures, observation and inspection, discussion among engagement team members, and other risk assessment procedures. And these provide input for understanding entity and the environment in which it operates, and this also includes internal controls. It helps the auditor identify and assess the risk of material misstatement, and it's used to develop audit strategy and the audit plan in response to the assessed risk. So this is just a quick overview of the first two learning objectives of Chapter 9. I will see you in the discussion.